Adventure Squad, welcome to the SPC Adjustable Upper Control Arm box opening video. I made this quick video using clips from another video which you might want to check out, where we just actually did a lot of work down here. We installed the BP-51s, the SPC Upper Control Arms, and we added some Dura bumps back there. If you're looking for just how to install this upper control arm, I'll do a separate video on that for you guys, and let's get to it. Hope you like what's inside. One thing I do want you guys to know is that the long bolt, if you cut it, you're gonna need to have another one ready. If you watch the installation video, we show you how to preserve the bolt. But I'm also gonna show you guys a side-by-side comparison of the SPC ball joint versus the stock OEM ball joint. We chose the SPC upper control arm for its adjustability, and we've used that adjustability. We've actually needed that, and it's been very nice, especially when you're changing tire sizes and wheel sizes to get you know, you can get a little bit better steering performance, or even if you just need the clearance. Going to be installing these SPC Performances upper control arms. These are nice and adjustable. We are going to get Judy ready for 35-inch tires. Part number 25470, and it's a pair. This is everything that came in the box. You can see here we have the two upper control arms, these huge washers, 4 of them.
Yep, with some BP. Look at that ball joint right there.
Jeez, these are solid. They're heavy, and they come with the.
Compared to this one.
Yeah, here, let's show. Look at that. It's just a big difference there. Oh, that's another reason why we saved this bolt piece here, because it doesn't come with the upper control arm kit. So you can adjust the caster on the left and the right front, and it shows you how to do that. There's different positions, and that is how you put it together. And this is to make sure the washer is in the correct orientation, because it will fit, it looks like, backwards as well. All right, so for the ball joint, we looked at it, they're identical, so they can go on either side.
This is where you're gonna get your adjustment from, the ball joint. You see, you can go angle it to different.
And you can see the ball joint is pushed forward here, so the tire should be sitting a little bit forward when it's mounted. I'm sure you can see in the back here, the truck looks different already. We'll get to all that. This is still Big Booty Judy, but I wanted to put out the videos in a progression so you guys can see the truck evolve step by step over these next year or two. If you enjoy Tacomas like I do, hopefully you'll subscribe, and hopefully you'll learn a lot.